Kinda new with apologies.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So in today's video, you guys, we're going to be refreshing my living room and dining room for summer. So I shared with y'all in a previous haul that I wanted to add in pops of blue. I really want to capture the essence of summer in my home this year. I really wanted to kind of put some of those lighter tones with some of those lighter decor pieces in my space. I really just wanted to give it a refresh for summer. So I decided to decorate with the pops of blue. I never really decorated with blue inside of my living room. I think I had it in my family room and maybe in my master bedroom, but not in my actual living room and dining room area. So I'm so excited to add in a little bit of color to these spaces. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it brings you some home decor inspiration. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. Make sure you turn on your bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. So in today's video, I did partner up with Modlighting. I've been really wanting to change out my dining room lighting in for the longest. I really was waiting to find that perfect piece to fit over my dining room table. So I really wanted something that was going to make a statement, something that's going to kind of blend simultaneously with the living room lighting, and then also just give a luxurious look. So my lighting did not disappoint. So I picked out this gorgeous chandelier that I'm going to share with you all in the next clip. The installation process was very easy to install. You do have to put on all the crystals with any chandelier. It does take time to put all the crystals. Nonetheless, the installation process went very smoothly. So when I received my lighting from Modlighting, it did come in two separate boxes. So I received one box for my crystals that came to the chandelier, and then the other box had the frame itself. Now I did go ahead and have my husband hardwire and install the frame off camera just to make this video a little bit quicker, but these are the crystals that goes to the chandelier. They do come in, I believe, two different sizes. So some of them you have to insert like this, and then some of them you have to actually attach so they have like a dangling effect. So Modlighting is your one-stop shop for all things luxury and contemporary lighting. They have some beautiful and gorgeous light fixtures, so I definitely recommend you checking them out. One thing I love about this chandelier is that it gives off a statement. It does come in two different sizes. It comes in a medium and then it comes in a large. I believe I have the medium, and then my medium is actually like 34 inches long, so it was perfect for my dining room space. So thank you to Modlighting for sponsoring today's video.
Hands are trembling right now, right now. Deep blue water sea, afraid of jumping in right now, right now. 한 발을 내밀었어, 걱정이 많이 있어. It's a bit of love, yeah. It's a little tough, yeah. 담배를 물고 있어, 생각이 너무 깊어. Wow, it's looking too deep. It's a little rough, yeah. Overthinking if I belong, but I'm where I need to be. Nobody's stopping us from fly. Don't kill this mood, just sing it. Na 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 na. Won't make it harder for your mind. Just dancing underwater right now. I've been swimming and swimming, swimming into the deep end. I've been looking and looking, looking around me lately. I've been falling and rolling, really nothing on. Dancing up to the water right now. Moonlight shimmering, falling over me right now, right now. Yeah, 한숨을 쉬고 있어. 또 마을 가고 싶어 난. I'm afraid of all things, and I said enough, yeah.
So this final look, you guys, of the installation of my chandelier is turned out so gorgeous, you guys. I'm absolutely so obsessed with how beautiful this chandelier is. So we're gonna go ahead and finish decorating and styling the living room and dining room for summer. I'm not gonna link everything in this video. I did show a previous haul of all these items listed in my last haul, so I have that video linked down in the description box below. If I have a link for any of the furniture, I'll try to have that linked in the description box as well. But for the meantime, we're just gonna decorate and have a relaxing decorate with me to music.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder.
It's a colorful night, got red eyes, but it's all blue. Those colorful eyes, they don't shine like they used to. The city don't want us, babe. We won't survive this place. The city don't want this. The city don't want this. And if I would lie and stay, it wouldn't feel the same. I won't lie. No, honestly, doesn't feel like home, like home. Home, feel like home. A faded mind, so we stay blind. Oh, the city to got a tendency to fading out underwater. Yeah, are we losing touch? Are we falling? And if I would lie and stay, it wouldn't feel the same. I won't lie. No, honestly, it doesn't feel like home, like home. Home, feel like home. A faded mind, so we stay blind. Oh, the city to doesn't feel like home, like home. Home, feel like home. A faded mind, so we stay blind. Oh,
He asked what could he do for me. I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet. Setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king.
Okay, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope it brought you guys some home decor inspiration. I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.